Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the procedure entry point Steam API and it could not be located in the dynamic link library Steam api64.dll. So that's what you need to do here. You just need to search it on Google Steam api64.dll and then go to dll-files or dllme.com and you just need to download this particular file to your computer, right? As you can see here, downloading in 2 seconds. So save it whatever you like, right? I will say to desktop. Then you will have zip file, right click on it, extract all, and save it to desktop or whatever you like as well. And then you will have Steam api64.dll. So you just need to copy. And then what you need to do here is to go to a file explorer. Then go to this PC. You need to go to this PC, then local disk C, then you need to go to Windows, and then you need to look for a folder called System32. So let's look at here, System32. Open up this folder here, and then you just need to paste a Steam api64.dll, right? Then you need to go to sysvow64, sysvow64, and then you just need to do the same here, right? Then you just need to restart the Steam. Now guys, as you can see here, game is working. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like. Take care.